So here's how to activate Windows 11. First, you will need to right click on the Start button and then go to System. And then under System, you should scroll down to Product Key and Activation. Click on it. And you should see the activation state in here. Now for me, Windows is already activated, but you can click on Change here if you want to activate your Windows, and you can simply type your product key in here and click Next, and it will check and activate your Windows. Now you can get the product key online from the Microsoft website, or if you have already the activation key, uh, it's potentially linked to your Microsoft account or Outlook email. So you will simply need to go to Accounts and then sign in with your Microsoft account, and it should look up your Windows keys and activate Windows for you automatically when you're connected to internet. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.